Guys, it is a hot day today in old Alabama. Thank you for watching. See all these lawnmowers, Glenda?
I see them.
Look at them down through yonder.
I see
The grass is growing, guys. You need to buy you a new one. I give you a complete rundown on them. And you're going to watch this one because you like lawnmowers. I know.
Here's Mojo checking out. Is that electric?
Yeah, I think it is.
Huh.
You talk about your electric, guys. What about one of these? It never worked for me, though.
What makes you think it's electric?
Because it is. Look, it's got a built-in YouTube channel. Our Sweet Home Life right here on that.
Right there on that, I mean.
Now, I may have to buy it after all. 42. I need a 56. At least it don't have those dyna drives, whatever those are. What are those drives I'll tell you about?
Hydro drive?
At least it don't have the hydro gears in it, I don't think. I believe it's got electric wheel motors on it. That's cool, guys.
And it's $49.99.
Easy go. Go.
Go.
Look, show them the motors back there, Glenda.
Go power. Open me.
See the motors on the deck?
Hey.
That's what I'm looking at.
That's what we're looking at.
We're going to put them on YouTube.
You'll have to check it out on YouTube. Look at that, guys.
Oh, look at that. You can put all your batteries in there, guys.
Isn't that neat? An electric lawnmower.
No, ain't that just something else?
Wait, that one?
Yeah.
An easy $5,000. No money down, easy payment.
There you go, boys.
Yeah, 5,000.
$5,000, guys.
Save. Oh, look how much money you save on gas, though.
Nowadays.
Well, thank you for watching Our Sweet Home Life. That's what's new out here at Lowe's.
Low.
Electric, zero-turn lawnmower. Peak Power technology combines the power of up to 6 batteries, includes 4 by 56-volt arc lithium batteries.
56 voters, guys. They'll use 4. So you can get some storage. You got a place for 3 in there. I mean 6, but it says 4. I guess it uses 4 at a time. You can have 2 for backups. I guess that's what.
And here's a power meter. I guess that tells you how much power you got. Right there. Pretty neat.
And see, these are all electric motors.
And it's a 42-inch dual blade. And it has forward, park, reverse.
Guys, I'm not going to say anything one way or the other, but make sure you do some good research on the mowers you buy and you're satisfied with everything. And these colors are supposed to be real good motors. That's a 24 horsepower. And this particular unit is a Craftsman Z5800. We can't do a review on them because we've never driven them. Now maybe if they want to send us one to do on our channel, we can do that. But today, that's $34.99. It's a 54-inch. That's the size I need. It does have a 5-year frame warranty. I don't know how much of a drive it has, warranty on those drives. But make sure that you do some research on all the stuff, different components, and see how easy it is to replace. But that looks like a Hydra gear unit to me. It's not the same as I have, but it is a Hydra gear. I can tell you exactly, they're all made real similar. But anyway, that's a Craftsman Z5800. It's a big old unit. It looks pretty good, guys, but anyway, and this one is an Air Reeds. Air Reeds has been around for a long time. That's a 60-inch. Now that's a hoss. I bet you I could do some bush hogging with that to that puppy. It's an what is it? Icon XD Aries. It has a Kawasaki 23 horsepower engine on it. Let's check the drive on it. Yeah, I would say that's going to be a Hydra gear drive. I'm not sure. I didn't see a tag on them. But yeah. Now that one is $57.99. It's a 52 inch. But the 60 inch is cheaper than that one by over $1,100, guys. Wow, go figure. I would say the bargain is on this one right here. It's the Icon XD60. You're gonna buy one for the money, that one looks like that's the way to go. A lot cheaper than that. I don't know the difference in them, but this Aries, the Aries Apex 52. Let me see what kind of drives this one has. This is one I was looking at. Yeah, that's a Hydro gear. That's a Hydro gear unit. Do your research, guys. I think it has oil, like an oil. I believe you put oil in those things. They're a lot better serviceable drives than the one I have. The one I have is a lighter version of these. All right, guys. All right, guys, this is the Craftsman 5400. Both of them are 46-inch cuts. And they have a 22 horse Kohler engine on them. Yep. It looks like I like these. This is the lift on the deck. Those look to be pretty good. I like how those adjust. Yeah, that has a Hydro gear on it also, guys. It has a Hydro gear. Don't know, I can't see that. Y'all just bear with me. So that's a 22 horsepower Kohler on that one. 54, Z5400, Craftsman. Yeah, but standard stuff, and there's the tank. I like where they put the tank and the battery. That's a improved design over what I have. You know, these things continuously improve with age. They engineer them a little better every year. $31.99. Okay, here is a Craftsman, the old style, not a zero turn, but it probably would do a zero turn. These are driven off the back now. And so, yeah, they have no, that's the old style. There you go, guys. Get ready to fix your flat tire. Look at that. Hadn't even came off the showroom floor and already got a flat. You better learn how to do a fix of tires, all I can say for you. 24 inch, horsepower. 24 horse Kohler, good engine. But that's the old style. That is a 54 inch cut, a T3200. That one, drive it off the floor today, $28.99. And there's your model number, guys.
Here is a push mower. That's an electric. This is an electric one. And it's $5.99. So here's another one, a Cobalt. it, and it's $3.99. 48 volt. There's a Craftsman electric and a Skill
How much are those?
electric. $2.99 for the Skill, $3.29 for the Craftsman.
Here's the specs on the Skills and the Craftsman.
There's the specs on the Craftsman. The specs on the Skill. And then I've already showed you the other two. Check out these electric blowers.
Got a back pipe over there. 40 volts is it?
And here's some more down here. Let me see if I can get the prices on them. Alright, just checking out and seeing what they have today at Lowe's.
Thank you for watching our Sweet Home Live. Catch us on YouTube, guys. Also, we have a, what is that?
Instagram.
Instagram. You can check us out on Instagram, our Sweet Home Life. Thanks, guys.